You know, the numbers of all of this tell a story, too. Chief Correspondent Jonathan Hunt is working to make sense of it all. Live from Los Angeles. Jonathan?
Hey, Harris, the pictures we're seeing are obviously staggering, but the raw figures of Harvey are mind-blowing. Let's start with the rainfall. And remember, all these figures are changing pretty much by the hour. So far, there's been about 25 inches of rain in Houston over the past 3 days. 16 inches of that fell on Sunday. That's a one-day record. But listen to this. In total, Harvey has dumped some 9 trillion gallons of rain. Hard to get your head around that. But to put it in some sort of perspective, if you take a shower, you use around 2.5 gallons of water per minute. If you ran your shower for an entire day, you'd use 3,600 gallons. An entire year, 1,314,000 gallons. To hit 9 trillion gallons of water, you'd have to run your shower continuously for some 6,849,315 years. Now, let's take a look at rescues. 2,000 people have so far been saved by the Houston Fire Department, and they tell us they have what they call 185 critical rescues they're aiming to carry out by day's end. Now, Houston's Brown Convention Center has been set up as the biggest single shelter. It's currently housing around 2,600, a little over half of its 5,000 capacity. The entire Texas National Guard of 12,000 has been activated to help in the rescue and recovery effort. Now, Hurricane Katrina remains the costliest storm ever in the U.S. as a total of $160 billion. We could get to $100 billion with Harvey. Harris.
Jonathan Hunt, thank you very much.